Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the adapter model and firmware so nothing surprises you mid-task. Plug the recommended 5V power and connect data cables. Unstable power causes resets, so make sure it is stable. Install the official driver or companion app and enable USB debugging or developer mode if the adapter requires it. Once done, open the app and let the adapter initialize. This gives you a reachable interface, which prevents configuration mistakes later and lets you proceed to pairing and configuration. You now pair the adapter with your host device, entering any PIN or code shown. Pairing grants secure control and avoids phantom connections. Next, set timers, intervals, and repeat modes in the app, and verify the time zone so scheduled events run when you expect. Then calibrate delay and debounce parameters to match your specific hardware and load. These adjustments prevent missed triggers and contact chatter. Make incremental changes and test each configuration. This staged approach isolates problems and confirms. You finish by running full-cycle tests. Trigger a single event, a repeated schedule, and a manual override so you confirm all modes. Monitor the adapter logs for errors. Enable verbose logging if behavior is inconsistent, because logs reveal timing, communication, and sensor issues. If something fails, systematically check power, firmware version, and wiring before assuming hardware replacement. Often a bad cable or outdated firmware is the culprit. Finally, document the working settings so you can restore them quickly if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.